Okay, it's now my pleasure to recognize the recipient of the Pathfinder Award, who will also be one of the leaders of our first presentation. This is the Institute's highest recognition of an academic for scholarly contributions to the practice of public relations through a program of original research. You know this year, because we announced earlier, that this year's winner is Bruce Berger, a member of our board, the Reese Pfeiffer Professor of Advertising and Public Relations in the College of Communication and Information Sciences at the University of Alabama. Bruce really is one of those rare people who has truly earned his stripe both as a practitioner and an academic. God, it's a broken record here how long I've known people, but I first dealt with Bruce when he was still at Whirlpool. He was Vice President of Corporate Affairs for Whirlpool Corporation and President of the Whirlpool Foundation. And in fact, I asked Bill Heyman, I don't know if he remembers this, I asked Bill Heyman because I was doing a job that involved employee communications and we're trying to rethink that and wanted to know who's really smart in this area. He says, you got to talk to Bruce. So I called Bruce, and very graciously, you spent a load of time on the phone with me talking it through. So I've never, you never forget people that do things like that. So he was also Director of Worldwide Human Health Public Relations for the Upjohn Company in the pharmaceutical industry, along with other Upjohn assignments in Brussels. In fact, he has worked on public relations programs in more than 30 countries. And after that 20 years of professional experience, he went on in 1999 to earn his PhD in communications at the University of Kentucky. He is the founding director and a board member of the Planck Center for Leadership in Public Relations. His research has focused over the years on leadership, power, and influence in public relations, and also in the area of employee communications and public policy influence. So there's a reason why he's a central piece of our Commission on Organizational Communication. Now, the actual award presentation will take place this evening, so that's when I'll actually hand him the plaque. But he's going to start off our first session here, and would you help me in welcoming our 2012 Pathfinder?